Dear students, today we will solve the remaining question of exercise 3 of chapter 4, arithmetic progression. First of all, formula using in arithmetic progression. Nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A, first term, n, number of terms, d, common difference. Sum of n terms, Sn, is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Other formula for sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is n by 2 a plus l. N, number of terms, a, first term, l, last term. Now, question 4. First term of an arithmetic progression is 1, last term is 11 and sum 36. Find the number of terms and common difference. Solution number 4. Let the number of terms is n and common difference is d. Given first term a is equal to 1, last term L is equal to 11 and sum Sn is equal to 36. Formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. Sn is equal to 36 n upon 2 a 1 l 11. 36 n by 2 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. 6 transpose to left side. N is equal to 6. Since number of terms is n, then nth term equal to last term. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to last term is 11. A 1 and 6 minus 1 d equal to 11. 1 plus 5d equal to 11. 5d equal to 11 minus 1. 5d equal to 10. d equal to 10 upon 5. d is equal to 2. Thus, number of terms is 6 and common difference is 2. Question number 6. Find the sum of all multiples of 3 natural numbers between 1 and 100. Solution 6. Natural numbers between 1 and 100 which are multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 99. Since difference of consecutive terms are same, therefore they are in arithmetic progression. Here first term A is 3, common difference D, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Last term 99. Let the number of terms is n. Then nth term equal to last term. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 99. 3 plus n minus 1 into 3 equal to 99. 3 plus 3n minus 3, 99. 3n equal to 99, n equal to 99 upon 3 is equal to 33. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. 33 upon 2, 2 multiplied by 3 plus 33 minus 1 into 3. 33 upon 3, 2, 2 3 is 6, and 33 minus 1 is 32 into 3. 32 3 is 96. 2 ones are 2, 51. 51 multiplied by 3 is 1683. Answer. Question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of that arithmetic progression whose second term 14 and third term is 18. Solution number 8. Let first term is A and common difference is D. Given second term is equal to (14). A plus 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 14. Formula: nth term equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus D equal to 14, equation number 1. And third term 18, A plus 3 minus 1 into D equal to 18. A plus 2D is equal to 18. Equation 1 and 2 are two linear equation in two variable, and we solve this by elimination method. Write equation 1 below the equation 2. A plus D is equal to 14. Coefficient of A are same, so, and both have same sign, so we subtract. A minus A cancel, 2D minus D is D, and 18 minus 14 is 4. Putting D equal to 4 in equation 1, A plus 4 equal to 14. A equal to 14 minus 4, A equal to 10. Sum of n terms equal to n upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of 51 terms, 51 upon 2, 2 multiplied by 10 plus 51 minus 1 into 4. 51 upon 2, 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1, 50 multiplied by 4. 51 upon 2, 10 multiplied by 2, 20, 50 multiplied by 4, 200. 51 upon 2, 220. 2110. 51 0, 51 multiplied by 1, 51, 5, 51 multiplied by 1, 51 and 5, 5610. Question number 10. If first and question number 10. If first, second and last terms are respectively A, B and 2A of an arithmetic progression, then prove that sum of progression will be 3AB upon 2B minus A. Given first term A, second term B, last term 2A. Common difference D equal to second term minus first term. Let the number of terms be n. Then nth term equal to last term. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 2a. A plus n minus 1 into value of d b minus a equal to 2a. N minus 1 b minus a 2a a transpose to right side. N minus 1 b minus a equal to a. N minus 1 equal to a. B minus a transpose to right side. N equal to a upon b minus a minus 1 transpose to right side. N equal to a plus b minus a. 1 into a. B minus a into 1 is b minus a. N equal to b upon b minus a. Now sum of progression Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. B upon b minus a upon 2 a. Last term is 2a. B upon 2 b minus a plus 2a is 3a. 3a into b, 3ab upon 2b minus a. Proved.